Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to forget a Wi-Fi network on a Redmi 15. Let's begin! First, you want to expand your control center. Just like that. Then you can press and hold onto the Wi-Fi icon. Now after a moment, you should see your network. You want to click the little arrow on the right to see more information. Now you want to scroll down a little, and at the bottom we have Forget Network. You want to simply click Forget Network, and you will get a notification that says that, well, your phone will behave like you have never connected to it in the first place. So, you can simply hit OK, and as you can see, our Wi-Fi is gone. And if you would try to log in again, we have to input our password, just like we usually do. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.